Hi, M5608. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. I'm Mary Jane Camo. I'm 39 years old. I'm married and I have two kids, 17 years old and 13 years old.
Your religion,
I'm Roman Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
I'm a high school graduate.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper in Saudi, in Jeddah, right? Tell me about your experience as a helper.
Washing dishes, taking care of four kids and children, 4 years old, 9 years old, and 10 years old, and 12 years old.
Okay, and other household chores?
I'm ironing, washing, uh, cleaning.
Okay. Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, of course.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, wash my hands and uh, uh, wash the bottles, sterilize the bottle, and then put the right amount of milk, put the amount of lukewarm water, and then shake well, and then check the temperature before give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Okay, first I will check the temperature of the baby, and then check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you clean the diaper, you change the diaper, and you also check the temperature, you sing a lullaby, everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
Okay, that's the time to call my employer because I don't know what should I do.
Okay, because maybe the employer know what to do to the baby so that to make it stop to cry, right?
Okay.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Aside from the high salary, Hong Kong is the safe place for OFW like me.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer want to extend my contract, maybe I will extend.
So you are willing to extend if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if there is someone outside the house telling that they were a relatives and they want to go inside the house? What will you do?
I will call to my employer so they know if the person
Outside.
outside.
And if they don't know the person outside of the house?
I will not entertain them.
Okay, because it's too dangerous to entertain people if your employer
Yes.
doesn't know, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
Maybe I will search in YouTube or I will buy books for me to learn.
Okay, that's the good thing that you can do. You can also watch on YouTube tutorials how to prepare Chinese food, and also if your madam and sir have time to prepare
Yes.
foods for themselves, you could also help them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm willing to help.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
It's okay.
Okay, if your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in holiday, it is okay to you to work.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, it is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, it's okay.
How about elderly?
It's okay.
Okay, if there's any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Okay. Hello, ma'am. I hope you choose me because I'm nice person and a good person and honest.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Mary Jane.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.